Look how much rain we got in California, guys. I'm at a Target parking lot here, and the water is actually covering the wheels of this shopping cart here. Look at this. Look at this car. Yeah, that's the kind of rain we got. Let me know what you guys think about that below in the comment section. And subscribe to Network 126 if you haven't done so already.